All right, so here is my how to turn in an assignment on Microsoft Teams video. So a lot of people have been struggling the last couple days with getting into Microsoft Teams, and then when we finally got in, understanding how to turn an assignment. So the first thing I want you to do is to be able to find the Microsoft Teams app. Obviously, you can see mine at the bottom here. However, I want you to notice that you can do the search and type in Teams and find it. Also, it's probably going to be in the back of your apps because it's newly added to your iPad. So today, first thing we'll do is we'll hit the Teams app, and I am logged in as a student right now. I am logged in as Lucas Haskins. Thank you, Lucas, for letting me do this. You'll see that you have 3 teams right now. You have Miss Tucker's math class, you have Mr. Beck's science and social studies class, and you have Mr. Kemp's class. So we'll go to Mr. Beck because that's what we're doing right now. And you'll see that this is the history of our class. So the first person to log in was Miss Cole. She did the assignment. Then there's a lot of people who just type stuff in because they thought that's how you did the homework, but that's not how you do it, and that's why we're making this video. So you're going to go to the assignment. We'll go to today's assignment first. Assignment number 2, who's your favorite ... It's due April 19th, which is Sunday. But I want you to do it as soon as you can, preferably over the weekend. And Molly, I do love that meme that you got, GIF that you got going here. So we'll hit view assignment. And this should be very familiar from last time. You can see practice assignment number 2, who's your favorite ... Instructions, please make sure that you watch the episode of What's Up with Mr. Beck before doing this assignment. Download, save to your OneDrive, do the assignment, turn in. Then it shows my work, and it shows favorite president, your name, doc. Okay, we're going to hit that. That is going to open up this right here. We're going to edit this, and the way you edit it is by clicking the square with a pencil right up here. Boom. So now it's opened up, and I need to save this so it's mine and not Mr. Beck's. So I'm going to make sure autosave's turned on. It is. I'm going to save a copy. I already created a folder in Lucas's called 5th grade. We'll hit that button. And in that 5th grade, he's got a ton of stuff in there already. I'm going to create a new folder for him just because it'll help him be more organized. We'll call that folder Mr. Beck's, not Mr. X, Mr. Beck's class. Create. And that's where I'm going to save my homework. So first thing I need to do is make sure I change the name. And it's not a copy, so you can get rid of copy, and you'll get rid of your name, and you'll put your name. For this, I'll pretend that I am Lucas Haskins. Boom. Okay, so now favorite is save. I'll hit save. Okay, now I can start editing the assignment. So my name for pretend here is Lucas Haskins. Whoop. Luke Haskins. Perfect. And today's date is 4/17/2020. Always put the date. Oh, that's an R. Let's edit that out real quick. Boop. I like to use this space bar. It makes it easy. 4/17/20. And who's your favorite president of the United States? So I'll answer that. And I'm in 5th grade, so that means I always start with a restate. My favorite president of the United States of America is Ronald Reagan. And I'll have a period at the end because I'm in 5th grade. I always Ronald Reagan was my favorite president because when I was in 5th grade, I did an assignment on Ronald Reagan, and he was president when I was born. Okay, so that's it. I'm done with my assignment. It was super easy. Thanks, Mr. Beck, for making super easy assignment. Then I will go back to Microsoft Teams. I have to exit out of this part. Now I'm going to add work. And I know that I just went to my 5th grade, Mr. Beck's class, and I see my assignment. I'll hit attach. So I watch this little bar zoom through. Whoosh. And then after I see that zoom through, I'll hit turn in. And when I do turn in, I get this crazy ice cream octopus thing going on. And that, my friends, is how you turn in assignments to Microsoft Teams. I hope this video helped. Watch it. I will be sending, when you say, Mr. Beck, I don't know how to do it, I'm going to send this video back to you every single time because I've spent about 4 hours yesterday just talking to people on the phone trying to help them turn in something into Microsoft Teams. So I hope this video helps, and I hope it makes everybody's life easier. Thank you so much for your time. Stay off.